Start preparing the filling using 4 oranges. Choose oranges with thinner skin, recognizable by their smooth and softer texture. We need about 300 to 350 milliliters of juice. Pour the squeezed juice into a pot. Then add 200 milliliters of milk. Now place it on the heat. Here I have 80 grams of vanilla pudding, to which I add 5 to 6 tablespoons of sugar. Then add 200 milliliters of milk and mix until there are no lumps. While waiting for the mixture to boil, stir occasionally. When it starts to simmer, pour in the dissolved pudding and stir. Continue stirring until the pudding thickens. Do not leave the pot and keep stirring as the pudding cooks in a minute or 2. When the pudding is cooked, it looks like this, and now remove it from the heat. Remove from heat, then scrape the pudding from the edges. Cover the pudding with foil and let it cool completely. Once the pudding cools, prepare the glaze to pour over the Turkish biscuits. Here I have 100 grams of margarine. Add 200 grams of dark chocolate and 100 milliliters of milk. Now place it in the microwave to melt. Heat for 30 seconds on medium power. Stir until everything is fully melted. When the chocolate melts, it should look like this. And now let it cool. Next, place 150 grams of softened butter or margarine in a larger bowl. Add 100 grams of powdered sugar and mix them together. Once mixed, take the pudding and remove the plastic wrap. Now mix the pudding as well. When mixed, the pudding should look like this. Add the mixed pudding in 2 parts to the creamed butter and sugar. And of course, mix everything together. At the end of making the filling, give it a final stir. Once done, the filling is ready. Next, take these Turkish biscuits. These are petty biscuits with cocoa filling, and when broken, they look like this. Divide the biscuit into 4 parts to get 4 layers. Place a ring on the plate. If you don't have one, you can use a smaller casserole dish. Arrange the first layer of Turkish biscuits. There's no need to dip the biscuits in milk, as they will soften quickly because they are very thin. Now, pour the previously melted chocolate over them. After spreading, place the plate in the fridge to let the chocolate set. While waiting for the chocolate to set, whip 200 to 250 milliliters of sweet cream. My dispenser broke, so I have to estimate. Whip the sweet cream, or whipped cream, depending on what you call it, to a softer consistency as it will thicken over time. Once out of the fridge, spread 1/3 or 1/4 of the filling over the chocolate. Why am I saying this? Because you can choose to finish the top layer with cream or with a biscuit layer. Spread a layer of whipped cream on top. Now, arrange the second layer of Turkish biscuits. Again, spread chocolate over them. And again, place it in the fridge to let the chocolate set. Continue layering cream, whipped cream, then biscuits and chocolate until all ingredients are used. After spreading the whipped cream, place the entire cake in the fridge to set. Then I will add some small decorations.